Hey guys, it's Khaled here and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the SteelSeries Arctis one made for the PC, Switch, Xbox and PlayStation. Stay tuned to find out more. Alright, so I was in some dire need of some new headphones and I thought, what can I find for under $50? So I've done some browsing and I purchased these bad boys. If you want these particular headphones, then please use the links below in the description box, as this will help me out a lot. Okay, let's quickly go through some of the boring stuff. So you can check the full specification, I'll leave it down below. But the headphones impedance of 32 ohms, it's got a frequency range of 20 to 20,000 hertz, and the detachable microphone is a bidirectional noise cancelling with 100 to 10,000 hertz frequency response. So what's included in the box? We get the actual gaming headset, we get a detachable microphone, we get the wire that is non-detachable that's connected to the headset, and we also get extension cable that connects to a PC, as you have two separate leads that connects to the microphone and to the speaker. The one thing I really like about these gaming headsets is the stealthy look. It's all black, there's no RGB lighting, no nonsense, no fuss, it just does the job. Now I've had these on for roughly a couple of minutes just to get the initial feel, and boy are these comfortable. For something that costs less than $50, these are really good. So there's an insert for the microphone on the left cup. It goes in and comes back out extremely easily. It only goes in one way as well, so there's no issue with that. The only thing I'm surprised with is that microphone doesn't have any sort of foam filter. So you know when you speak and like the P like makes a pop sound, etc. So that's something that I would have expected in the box, but I rummaged properly and there was nothing inside. We also have the controls for the mute toggle and the volume scroll on the left hand side of the ear cup. Now this is situated at the back, and the way this works is your hand naturally falls into that position where it will be close to your thumb. You can very easily mute and unmute the toggle switch, and you can access the volume scroll, and this is all accessible via the thumb. So very good design there. The paddings on the ear cup are really soft. It feels really nice. When you wear it on your head, it doesn't feel like it's too firm or it's crushing your ears. I mean, it's really soft, man. It's as soft as a baby's bottom. So as the brand suggests, the headband is still reinforced. There's plenty of movement on the ear cups available. That's for both of them. You can expand the size of the headband if you have a really large head like me, or if you have a puny head like Loki, then you can have it to the smaller setting. It's also quite sturdy. As you can see, I'm really giving it a go, moving it about, and it doesn't feel flimsy at all. Really good and sturdy pair of headset. The headband section is really nice. It's got really nice padded foam at the top and it feels extremely comfortable. Connection to a games console is also very easy. So if you're using it for a Switch, Xbox or PlayStation, you just use the 3.5mm cord, plug it into the jack. But if you use it for a PC, there is an extension cable included, and you get two cables that it splits out to. So one for the microphone and one for the speaker. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the SteelSeries Arctis 1 gaming headset. Now I want to do a full weeks of testing before I bring the review out, so I can give you a true reflection of how durable they are, how they sound, and if they're good between different platforms such as the Xbox, PlayStation and PC, etc. If we can maybe hit 10 likes, that would be extremely good, and I'll be forever in your debt. And as always guys, if you enjoyed the content, please hit that like button. If you want more of these kind of videos, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.